Hi guys, this video is to show you how to change the battery in your remote. That's from Honda CRV. So first thing what you do is, I don't know if you can see it, there is like a little knob here. So you gotta push that knob far and that will bring out the key from the remote. Next thing what you gotta do is insert the key in between and that will pop up open your remote. After that, as you can see, there is your battery, so make sure you get the correct size. Pop it up, pop the new one in, and you are all done. All you gotta do is put this back on, make sure it snaps, your key goes back in, all done.